Wisconsin growers planted about 5,000 total acres of hemp in the state this year. That number is expected to jump next year with growing license requests and a better understanding of the plant. A recent event brought together hemp growers, processors, scientists, and people just curious about the crop.
And this industry is evolving really fast.
2019 was the first year that the University of Wisconsin conducted research on industrial hemp.
We looked at seeding rate and nitrogen rate within two of those varieties that are commonly used in industrial hemp. And we just looked at a couple different rates. So you have from that 20 to 40 pound seed per acre is the recommended rate. Then we also have a couple fertility regimes they're looking at with nitrogens.
The UW team is just part of the group assembled at this annual meeting to share best practices and highlight common struggles to find solutions.
Keeping up with the weeds has been a big challenge for our producers, so that's what we're going to be talking about here today. Make sure they have a solid plan, having access to equipment, whatever strategy you decided to do, whether you're going to plant a cover in between your hemp rows, whether you're going to be mowing that, whether you're going to be rotary rowing. I mean, that's entirely up to the grower, but have a solid plan before you put this crop in the ground, because weeds take over, because once they take over, they take yield away from you. It's going to make your crop look ugly and unpleasant, okay? And it also makes it very difficult to harvest, especially if you're going to be hand harvesting. Walking through a weedy field makes it very difficult.
And before you add it to your crop rotation, you need to do some research.
One thing that's important for those folks to understand is what has been sprayed or what has been done to those acres in the past. For instance, if you were renting ground that was in corn and soybeans in previous years, or if you're putting in your own ground, understand what was sprayed and check the label of those products, because several of those products they have rotation restrictions. Okay, and some of those products, the rotation restrictions are up to 40 months. So if you're going to be putting hemp there, you got to understand this 40-month interval. You got to follow the label. The label is the law.
Some growers were caught off guard by the amount of handwork needed to care for hemp. There are other, more expensive options.
Machines are available. Some those who are farmers already, sometimes they have machines available in their farm that they could take advantage of. Mower is a great example just from a weed maintenance strategy there. So understanding what kind of equipment is available. If not, there's a lot of machine out there that you could buy. The challenge becomes the cost. So what is the size of the operation? Can you afford buying this machine, or would you have to go elsewhere, work with your neighbors or rent equipment to get the work done?
For now, the majority of growers in the state are planting with CBD in mind.
In the long term, I don't know if that's the direction we're going to be going. I think the CBD market may get saturated pretty quick, and I think it's already happening from what we're learning here this morning. A lot of people grew this crop and they don't have a place to sell yet.
Which is why the UW system is doing research on using hemp for fiber.
A dual purpose crop where you would chop the flower buds for CBD oil extraction, but also use the fiber. So that's some of the work we're going to be starting next year.
As for the grain market,
it is a very touchy crop, and right now we don't have established market. Okay, so we got good yields out of our variety trials, our agronomic trials. However, we don't have a market established. So if you're going to go that route, understand the market and pick the right agronomics and variety selection.
the deadline for current licensees to renew their registration to grow hemp is March 1st of 2020. New licensees can apply anytime during the year.